Hello everybody, as you probably have read in the course that a textbook is not required. I'm going to still go over some materials and some information from a textbook that I had used in the past. It has some valuable info, so I thought we'd go ahead and go through it together. First of all, we're going to just start off with technology integration. Just know that technology allows students to be actively involved in the process of constructing their own knowledge in the development of what we call in the business a learner-centered classroom. This basically means that teachers put the needs of the learners first, and they design activities that meet their goals, either academically or socially. So again, the technology piece, or how technology fits into this, is that it helps assist or it helps guide the classroom discussion or the classroom activities. Basically, what you need to focus on in this class is how to integrate technology in ways that support diverse students attaining their levels of learning. So that's what we're going to do with discussion forums and the mini projects and then eventually your portfolio. Also, we're going to integrate tools into various types of instruction. Towards the last part of the course, we're going to develop a couple learning units, and you're going to use some of the skills that we work on in the first few weeks to make the learning units even better. We're also going to write and customize learning units, as I just mentioned. We're going to create instruction and assessments that align with state standards and national standards. And we're also going to use technology to improve our own everyday practices, things that we do in other classes that go beyond education courses. So please know that technology does support diverse learners. We use a term in education called differentiated instruction. When you think about students in your classroom, they have different needs, they have different learning styles, they have different IQ levels, etc. And so technology can help us as the teacher customize lessons or what we do in class every day to make sure that all the students' needs are met. We also can support learners with physical limitations. So think about those inclusion classrooms or self-contained classrooms with special ed students. So we have apps and devices and everything related to technology that can help a student achieve their academic goals. For example, those that would be on an IEP, but also other social goals or communication goals as well. So technology can definitely improve learning. We use technology on a daily basis, and we know excuse me, how it helps us. It also can make our classrooms even more of a rich learning environment, more interesting, more exciting, more interactive. We can actually encourage students to kind of push forward and do more than they were going to using the devices that we have in the classroom. Think about smart boards or even computers with word processing software. Think about how far we've come even with simple things like that. Also, think about how you could connect your classroom to a classroom in a different state or a different country, and how students can learn from each other, as well as workplace skills, which is really big right now with Common Core standards and the idea of college readiness and workplace readiness. Again, technology can help us prepare for our futures. What technology can't do is it's not going to improve student learning by itself. So basically what that's saying is you can't just press play on the DVD player, walk away, and assume that students are going to learn exactly what you think they'll learn. You, the teacher, still have to organize it, set it up, provide detailed instructions, and really help students along the way. So with technology, when you have everything set up, the teacher almost becomes a guide, but still is vitally important to make sure that students meet their learning goals. We also have to look at how technology is used. Just like in a traditional classroom where technology is not used, computer technology can't make students learn something that they don't understand. So basically you, the teacher, will still design curriculum, lesson plans, content for every day, and the technology will be like that icing on the cake, the little decoration that makes it so much better. So again, it doesn't replace us as teachers. It just assists us, or it helps us make learning even better for students. Here are some resources for you to take a look at when you have some time. Again, this is just the introduction, and I hope you're excited to get started.